In 2025, OpenAI quietly dropped something that shocked the entire internet. A tool so powerful, it can turn words into full movies. It's not science fiction anymore. It's called SORA 2, and it's about to change everything we know about filmmaking, creativity, and reality itself. SORA 2 isn't just an upgrade, it's a leap. The first SORA could generate short clips from text prompts, but SORA 2 can create entire stories, realistic humans, consistent characters, dynamic motion, and even emotion. Built on OpenAI's new multimodal foundation, SORA 2 merges the power of GPT-5 reasoning with a next-generation video diffusion model. It doesn't just render images, it understands physics, light, and storytelling. Every frame feels intentional, cinematic, alive. Type a line like, "A man walks through Tokyo in the rain," neon reflections on wet streets. SORA 2 will generate a full cinematic shot, complete with lighting, camera motion, and sound. You can expand scenes, change tone, even ask it to make edits, like a director talking to their team. This is what makes SORA 2 special. It gives anyone the power to become a filmmaker. You don't need a camera, actors, or studio. Just your imagination. From YouTubers to indie studios, everyone can now produce content that once cost millions. But every revolution has a dark side. Filmmakers fear losing their craft. Actors fear being replaced by digital replicas. Editors, animators, entire teams, all wondering, where do we fit in this new world? Critics warn of deepfakes, propaganda, and manipulation at scale. If anyone can create realistic footage of anything, what happens to truth? OpenAI claims SORA 2 has strict content filters and watermarking systems. But can safety ever keep up with creativity? Hollywood is alarmed. China, Europe, and the US are rushing to regulate generative video. Tech companies like Google and Meta are secretly building their own versions, because no one wants to be left behind in the AI movie race. This is bigger than entertainment, education, advertising, journalism. Everything changes when stories become instant. SORA 2 is teaching us one thing: imagination is the new superpower. We've entered a new era, where the line between real and artificial disappears. The question isn't whether AI will replace filmmakers. The real question is, are we ready to create alongside it? This is the dawn of SORA 2.